Find the standard form of the equation of the ellipse that has vertices at 0 plus or minus 8 and foci at 0 plus or minus 5. When I have properties of an ellipse and I want to find the equation, I like to start by just drawing what I know. So I've got my vertices, and the vertices are the points furthest from the center. So at 0 plus or minus 8, I've got the points furthest from the center. So I know that this is going to be kind of elongated vertically. Okay. My foci are at plus or minus 5. And so now I'd like to find the equation of my ellipse. Now I know that in order to do that, I'm going to need the point here. I need to know how far the closest point from the center is. And to get that, I use the relationship that c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared, where a is the larger of the two numbers. So in this case, it's 8, and b is the smaller of those two. Okay, the furthest point from the center and the closest point to the center. C, of course, is the distance from the center to the focus, so that's 5. So we have 5 squared equals 8 squared minus b squared. So we have a 25 equals 64 minus b squared. To solve for b squared, for b, we can add b squared and subtract 25. Okay, b squared equals 39. Solving for b, we get b equals the square root of 39. So now, for the equation of our ellipse, we've got x squared over something plus y squared over something equals 1. The thing underneath these is a squared and b squared, or those distances from the center squared. So in the x direction, okay, moving horizontally, the distance there, that was this b, okay? And so it's that number squared, which is 39. In the y direction, from the center up, we have the distance of 8, so it's 8 squared, which is 64. And that's the equation of the ellipse.